quick stop to see the boys. Lava Smoke Shop. You guys already know. I don't even gotta say it. Come to this place. So how's it going, guys? Barely Running Subaru coming at you with another video. It's kind of late in the day. I didn't really want to do anything today, but I was like, I could either wait for Don to bring me to the shop, like meet up with me at my house because he gets out of work at 9 or whatever, or I could just go to the shop and get some stuff done that I need to get done anyway. So we're gonna go get gas and then head down to the shop. All right, well, I got this shop opened up. Oh shit, almost died. Basically, I have to move all this stuff and get this 6-liter over there because I want to put it together so I could sell the thing, because I'm obviously not going to use it. I'm not trying to do, you know, all this. I'm not trying to swap the Z. You know, if it blows up, it blows up. I'll put another 5.3 in it. I don't care. But I want to put this together because I kind of came to the conclusion that, like, I know a lot of you guys did tell me, like, hey, you should just build it on the channel and then sell it, which I agree with. And I agree with it mostly because I figured if I posted it, like, as is, like, if someone like me was buying it that wanted to know, like, that was planning on building it anyway and just wanted to know, like, what the insides look like and make sure you're getting a good engine, yeah, like, I would rather it be sold like that, like, in pieces, so I can put it together myself. But I figured, you know, the average person looking for one of these, like, they're just gonna wanna, you know, they're just gonna want a already put together engine that they can slap accessories and a harness on and run in an oil pan, because I don't have an oil pan. But yeah, that's what I plan on doing with that. So I have to move quite a bit of things. Luckily, a lot of it's on wheels, so that's dope. I don't have to worry about that because we got that shopping cart from that freaking abandoned factory thing, or, well, going out of business, whatever, whatever, the factory. The shopping cart's from there. We got this cart, and then I have this thing that I have some tires and, well, Travis's tires and some of my stuff on that I just need to push out of the way. So I'm going to start doing that, and then I'm going to put the 6-liter in there, and then I'm going to take the F20B, the spare F20B. Like I said, I put it together a couple videos ago just for, you know, storage purposes, so that all the parts are, like, on it and not, like, in boxes and stuff. So this is basically like my backup engine, I guess. If anything happens to that, you know, if I put a hole in the block or something, got a block with no holes right here. So that's mint. So yeah, that's my general outline. I know Don's coming here, so I don't know, maybe we'll film something with this. I don't know. I just don't really know what to do, and I figured I was just gonna do all this tomorrow, but I figured I'd like to just come here tomorrow and already have everything kind of set up for me. Ooh. I mean, it still took me a while, but thank God all this stuff is on wheels, dude. Now. Well, let me put this back on here. I gotta remember that's where these are, because there's certain situations you just need the little up jammies, whatever you're going to call them, twisted sister. Move the Subaru engine over a little bit, and then pull this out. Luckily, this one's a 4-wheel one, so it moves a lot easier. Look at this freaking mess, dude. Like, I just gotta shove the Subaru engine, like, through the door, kind of. I have just enough space right here to get the 6.0 out. Mistake number 1. This looks way smaller than that. Weird. Alright, let's put this over there. Not sick. Camera. I need to get to the camera. Bad idea. Okay, F20B. Hopefully I never have to use you. Unless I build it. You, eventually. I don't care enough about the Subaru, but eventually I will do that. When the Prelude's on the road. Maybe. Either that or should I part out the Subaru? I don't know. I know for a fact if I part out the Subaru, I can make enough to be happy. You know, it has like fairly new coilovers on it, the Racelands. It has the Tarmacs. It's something as stupid as like the adapters. I could get like $50 for those. Freaking the optional OEM dash compass, that's pretty expensive. I'll throw that up on eBay. I don't know. But then again, I could just swap it and then, I don't know, do some body work and paint and I'll be good. I don't know, that's for another day. I'm like the least concerned with the Subi, dude. I do nothing to maintain it. I don't care about the friggin' exhaust leak. Nothing. Literally, I just drive this thing to where I need to go and back home. That's what the Subi's day consists of. Driving and then driving back. The Prelude, very soon. Very, very soon. Okay, things are back in here. This is my stockpile of 17s for when I pop more tires. Yeah, okay, well, we can shut the light off in here. This thing, you guys remember, I got for like $350, I guess, plus gas. Is like, I got it for like $400 in unknown condition. I chipped all the rust off of it, got it looking good. You can see right here, 6.0. See the cam bearings on these usually wear, but these are actually like in perfect condition, which is really good because that's a shit job to do. I don't know how to do that. Yeah, it's a little just like dusty, but I'm gonna clean it all off. Like I said, these are cylinder walls are rehoned, new piston rings, gapped and all that. Gonna have new bearings in it, rod bearings that is. Cam bearings are good. I'm gonna put my upgraded oil pump on it. Just, you know, small stuff like that. Unless I could just put the other oil pump on it and someone can buy my melling. I don't know, but yeah, I'm just gonna put it together all nice like. And, you know, take some nice pictures of it. Because if I take pictures of it like this, people are gonna be like, oh, like, you know, anyone who's looked at an LS before will be like, oh, okay, it's not a big deal. But like anyone who's like, I want to LS swap my car, I want to buy an LS engine, they're gonna look at this and be like, oh God, what is that? There's nothing on it. I'm so scared. It's so hard. So I'm gonna take that out of the equation and make it easy. So yeah. So look forward to that little build thing. I don't know. I forgot to end the thing, but we've just been posted up. You feel me? Watching this guy.
He's angry. He's angry, dog.
Why the hell does it look like that?
I don't know, bro. I think it's like...
We should call the feds on their own. So, Don, what's the plan for the week that you just said not too long ago?
Tomorrow's so probably gonna work tomorrow, and then, you know, just probably come here again and chill with Damian, and then Wednesday hopefully wake up early in the morning and get my bike registered, and then Thursday hopefully we could put the Evo back together and I can put it up for sale, so, you know.
Oh God, what the hell's going on with the focus? No, it's trying to sense your face, and it's too dark.
And then yeah, Friday, you know, just probably gonna work and then not hang out with Damian because I think he chills with Callie on Fridays, and then hopefully, you know, ride Saturday.
Yeah, we'll see.
Hopefully, you know, it's the first time he and Damian can get some footage together.
Yeah,
riding.
Don's gonna post on his channel.
Nah, I'm gonna send all the footage to you, dude.
This ending clip is gonna be so hard to watch, dude. It's just been auto-focusing the whole time.
Oh man.
It usually doesn't like track the face.
Is my face oily? Like,
I don't know. I don't think, Jesus, dude. You now you fucked it. Like
what?
It's just a brown blur, dude.
Oh God.
Yeah, you're gonna give me the memory card.
Yeah.
So when I stuff it and break another lever.
I mean, you've broken what, 3? I've broken 1 so far.
Yeah, I broke in 3 in 2 days.
I don't think they know, yo. Like, dude, I freaking stuffed it the first time I rode the new bike. Freaking. Yeah. Like, it's just like a few seconds, but yeah, that's me laying on the ground, being a little bitch. But yeah. Hopefully that doesn't happen this Saturday.
I put it in manual focus, so now it's good. So yeah, we're actually gonna work on the Evo. When's the last time the Evo ran?
A few months ago?
No, like when did you drive it? When did you stop driving it?
Maybe like, alright, probably like 3 years ago.
3 years ago. We're gonna resurrect the freaking Evo. I'm gonna put it back in autofocus. Yeah. Whoa. Yeah. So that's the plan. This has been like a weird video, but yeah, you guys got all the updates. So expect an Evo video, getting that thing friggin' going. Are we gonna do poles, dude?
Coals?
Poles.
Poles?
Yeah, we're gonna rip it.
I mean, on the street, yeah, in front of my house, but not any farther. 'Cause,
It's not registered.
Yeah.
Well, yeah. If you guys want to, if any of you guys have 28 grand.
28 grand.
28. 28, dude. 28. It'll come with stock suspension and BC coilovers, stock wheels, 1 cob access port. That when you start it up, there's a white Evo on the screen, and his Evo is also white, so that's a plus. And then after that, I farted. So, you hear that?
Squeaky ass.
It's like, woo, it snuck up on me, dude. Well, then, yeah. So like, you get that. You get. Do you still have the exhaust for it? Minus the downpipe. I know the
yes,
downpipe.
I do actually have the exhaust for it, but minus the downpipe.
Yeah,
because
it fucking melted.
Yeah, damn, I forgot that happened.
Yeah.
Holy shit.
This dude's downpipe basically melted into like a fucking 7.3 truck downpipe where it's like.
So basically, the downpipe is like in the shape of an S. You know, it goes down from the turbo, bends to the down, and then bends again to the exhaust. The top bend, I guess, got super hot, and it just kind of like went from a circle to like an oval and just like, you know, flattened.
Yeah, shit looked like a
so
cobra.
yeah.
Shit looked like a cobra.
Yeah.
So yeah, you get that, and then
you don't get the downpipe.
No, you don't get the downpipe. But
Well,
clay bar the Evo, the wrap is off of it.
You get new tires on the stock wheels.
New tires.
Because the snow tires on it right now are really bad.
Yeah, and then that's it. For 28 grand, you get 2014 Evo X GSR. Very nice.
The rotors and pads are like new too.
Yeah.
I have StopTech slotted rotors and Hawk FPS pads. They don't have that much on them either.
Yeah, we just got to get some rust off of them, so we got to do like 140 and fucking mat the brakes.
Yeah.
Just one time, but you guys got to come like that week or it's just going to rust again, but yeah. Remember when you had no brakes and you were rev matching in the first gear?
Oh my god, dude.
It was just metal on metal.
Yeah.
That's why you got rotors, not just pads.
Yep. Replace all.
Yeah, I don't know. That's it. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.